Corn, one of the world's 3 major grain crops, is hailed as the golden crop. It has a wide range of uses. It can be ground into flour or milled into grits, and it can also be refined into high-quality edible oil. Right behind me is a modern, large-scale corn deep processing base. Next to it is a deep processing works, handling 1,000 tons of corn per day. But today, we are focusing on the 50-ton per day corn germ oil production workshop, designed and built by the Huatai Group. This project is the first major engineering delivery by the Huatai Group for the new year of 2026. Currently, equipment installation is in the final stages. Workers on site are systematically applying thermal insulation to the pipelines and constructing the epoxy flooring in the workshop, making final preparations for official production. We start with the oil pressing section. After cleaning and drying, the corn germ enters this cooker. It conditions the temperature and moisture the material to improve the oil yield. Subsequently, the material is pressed synchronously between parallel screw oil presses. The crude oil produced passes through the oil residues percolating and into the crude oil tank. It then goes through a leaf filter. Filtered, pressed clear oil flows into the clear oil tank. Next is the refining section. The crude oil goes through degumming, neutralization, water washing, drying, decolorization, and deodorization processes. Finally, it enters the dewaxing stage. What you see here are the core equipment: the refining tank, drying and decolorizing tank, vibrating filter, deodorizing tank, and the crystallization and fractionation tank in the back. The entire system is heated by a natural gas conducting oil furnace, providing a clean heat source that balances heat with environmental heat from selecting high-quality germ to the final refined oil. There are a total of 7 critical processes. This represents our ultimate pursuit of quality germ selection: pressing, filtration, degumming, deacidification, dewaxing, decolorization, and deodorization. Every step adheres to what HCCS standards. From traditional oil pressing to modern refining technology, Huatai equipment does not simply remove impurities. Rather, through Huatai's equipment, we bring healthy oil products to dining tables everywhere. Behind the very drop of clear corn oil is a refinement from the field to the workshop. It is also the accumulation of 38 years of craftsmanship. The Huatai Group in the grain and oil sector. For high-end grain and oil equipment, choose us, the Huatai Group.